guys, welcome back to the channel. And in case you are just seeing my face for the first time, hello, you're welcome to this channel. This is Precious Day and this is a trading channel. I'm documenting my trading journey here on YouTube. I've been doing that for a while now. And also I have been teaching beginners how to trade. I created a playlist for beginners, step-by-step introduction to trading. If you are a trader trying to refine your trading strategy, or if you're a beginner, you're new to trading, I want you to check it out. It will help you start trading on your own and also help you refine your trading strategy as well. I am going to be sharing my plan, how I plan to grow my small account from $100 to $10,000 before the year runs out. And if you are interested to grow your small account too, please may want to subscribe to this channel because we are going to be doing it together. And also if you're interested, you can also join my signals group below. I'll be putting the link below. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I plan to grow my small account from $100 to $10,000. I've been trading for this week and I'm going to be sharing my losses and also my profits with you guys. I'm going to be sharing with you guys the reasons for the losses and also the reasons for the wins. So you might want to learn one or two profitable strategy from this video. So please stay and watch this video to the end. And I just quickly want to share my day, what I'm doing today, and tips on how to grow a small trading account. You know, in case you are just starting up trading, you don't have big capital to start trading. You know, you can make a lot of money with your $100, and that is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video today, because that is what I'm doing right now and we can do it together. So just stick with me. It's been a very busy week for me. I've been so busy with trading classes and also I've been so busy with some personal stuff. And the only time I got for myself this week was Monday, and today now I don't even get the time to make videos, not to even talk of editing videos, right? But I'm not complaining. I love how rapidly my students are understanding what they paid for, and I love the eagerness, I love the discipline, I love how passionate and how dedicated they are and how they are willing to learn, they are willing to embrace new ideas, new strategies, especially for those who want to refine their trading strategies, that they are not absolute beginners, they just want to refine their trading. So they're open to new ideas, new strategy. And for my beginners, I love the space and the passion they're using to learn. It's so exciting. I just love what I'm doing. So this week, Monday, I was at the bank and okay, so before I even go into that, right, I was in a trade last week, Friday, and I took my profit this Monday. So I'm calculating that trade for this week because I'm going to be showing you guys my results for this week. So far so good. It has been an amazing week. Today is Friday. So I've been trading US oil all through this week. If I show you my trading result for this week, just the BTC just once. So I'm giving you guys ends up now. And now I'm short position, which I'm going to be showing you guys. This is how the trade is running. I'm going to be leaving it on the screen so you guys can see how the trade is running. I'm noticing pullback now, so pullbacks are inevitable. You guys, I told you guys earlier on about how I'm growing my small account, right? Small account of $100 to $10,000 before the end of this year. If you're interested, why not? You can subscribe to this channel and follow me to grow your account as well, because I'll be updating you guys about the account I'm growing. Earlier this year, I notified my community that I want to grow a small account from $100 to $10,000 before this year ends. If you are interested, you can join me because I'll be sending the signals to the group. So you can join me. Click on this description box below. You see the link to the community chat. You can click on it and join the community if you want to grow your small account. And also you can subscribe because I'll be updating you guys about my small account. And so far so good. I have made some profits this week, which is interesting, right? And also, I want to share tips about how I'm growing my small account with you guys. It doesn't matter if it's $50 account or $100 or $150 or $200 account. I want you to set a realistic goal for that account, how you want to scale the account. I don't want you going all about how you want to achieve 100 million before the month runs out with your $100 account. Set a realistic goal for that account. And also, risk management is very, very important. For now, with my $100 account, if I'm in a trade, I risk 0.01, and then when the trade is going smoothly, I add to my winning position 0.05 so far, 0.08 or 0.05. I'm still in 0.0. I've not moved to 0.1 or 0.2 yet, so it's amazing. So when the trade keeps going, and then I'm in profit, I keep adding to my winning positions. So that way I have enough equity to carry on with the trade, and in case I experience pullbacks, because pullbacks are inevitable when trading. And also discipline. So discipline brings good stuff. If you are disciplined, you get access to good things. So it's your small account, be disciplined with it. Just treat that small account as a stewardship kind of thing, that you don't mishandle it, And also patience, so be patient with small accounts, keep doing your 0.0 stuff until you're able to scale it to a point that you can start trading with 0.1, 0.2. And then you scale it to a point that you can start trading with one lot size, two lot size. So that is how to grow a small account. You have to be dedicated, you have to be patient. And also, I only take high probability setups with my small accounts. I take my time, do the analysis, and then take the trade with my small account. High probability setups alone. If I'm not sure of a trade, I will not be trading it. So far, so good. That is what I'm doing with my small account. And also, I'm going to be showing you guys the result for this week. I'm going to be showing you my wins and my losses, and I'm going to be leaving it on the screen. I'm going to be showing you before the end of this video. So you guys can see, this is how this trade is going. Like, I am always explaining my trading setups, and I hope somebody is learning from the way I trade. So don't mind all these plenty lines. I took my profit from here. I was in this position on Friday last week, and then I took my profit on Monday from here. And it went up again, but I didn't follow this movement up, but I followed this movement downward. That same Monday again, I was in this short position, and then on Wednesday, I was in this long position. I took my profit from here. Then on Thursday, I followed it all up here, and then I took my profit from here. So today I am here. I am in this short position here, and here is my take profit. So fingers crossed. Let's wait for the trade to play out. Then I'll take profit from here. So this is a 1:4 trade, but I pray it's not swing trading. I pray I'm able to take my profit from here this week. If not, today is Friday. That means I'll be taking my profit next week, Monday. One of the reasons why I share some of my profits with you guys is to encourage and inspire us, especially the beginners, or if you have been trading for 2 years now, 3 years now, 4 years now, and you are not profitable yet, you're planning of giving up trading. I want to encourage you not to give up trading. Trading is one career that will never reward you except to pay the price. You have to be dedicated, you have to sacrifice your time to learn, you have to be willing to learn, you have to unlearn some of these strategies that are not profitable to you. You have to relearn some things and learn new things to become profitable. And I guarantee you, when you learn and master the market will refund all the money you have lost. So I want to encourage you to learn, then you earn. most of you are losing a lot of money in the financial market that you're not supposed to lose if you go the right way to learn. So I will always encourage you to learn and trade, because the market doesn't forget errors, it doesn't forget mistakes, and there is no point losing money in the financial market. That's the place you're supposed to earn money from, not to lose money there. Some of you have been asking me questions in the comment section, and it will be unfair for some of you here who have similar questions to ask me not to get the answers from me directly. And that is why I want you guys to ask me questions in the comment section. My next video will be specifically on Q&A. I'll be answering all your questions in my next video. Any question you want to ask me about trading, please write them in the comment section, and I'll be answering all your questions in my next video. This is a trade I'm currently in, and it's running in profit. So you guys, most of these losses are due to early entry, and this is my trading result for the week. These are my profits. So you guys, by the time I add up the profit from today's trading, is going to amount to something reasonable. So you guys can see my equity, you guys can see everything clear. So this is how I plan to turn my $100 into 10,000. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to like this video and ask your questions in the comment section below. See you in my next video.